Welcome back. Previously we focused on some of the idioms with sun, rain and clouds. And if you missed that video, you can follow the link in the description box to watch that video. However, I highly recommend you to do so because that will help you to follow this video easily. Today we are looking at some more idioms containing a wider range of weather, like sun, rain and clouds. Let's begin with our first idiom. Make hay while the sun shines. It means you make good use of an opportunity while it's lasts. Example, everyone's here, so I think we should set to work and make hay while the sun shines. Number 2. To rain on someone's parade. This idiom means is to do something that spoils someone's enjoyment or plan. For instance, I hate to rain on your parade, but I think getting good marks won't promise you a bright future. Third idiom. A cloud on the horizon. Is something that threatens to cause problems or unhappiness in the future. Example, the only cloud on the horizon is that David's job is looking less secure. I want to finish at a positive note with our last idiom, which is every cloud has a silver lining, which means that there is always a good aspect to a bad situation. As often happens with sayings, we sometimes shorten this to just say every cloud. Example, I know that your job is not going well and you're stressed out, but don't worry, things will be better soon. Every cloud has a silver lining. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like or share button. Also, I would love to know if your language has an equivalent saying for this. Please comment.